Hey guys, welcome back. And in this session, we'll talk about what is Amazon Web Services. So let's get started. The term AWS stands for Amazon Web Services, and it is the world's most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud computing platform. It offers 200 fully featured services from data centers globally. Millions of customers, including the fast growing startups, large enterprises, and leading government agencies, are using AWS to lower operating costs, become more agile, and innovate faster. Lastly, AWS is highly reliable, scalable, and low cost infrastructure platform in the cloud computing space. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I would like to inform that we have recently published our courses on Skillshare, Udemy and Tutorial Point. I would request you all to go and check out these courses because it will definitely going to boost your skills to a next level. And do follow us on different social media platform because we need your support to grow our channel. Apart from that, we have already provided all links in the description, so go and check out those courses and our social media platform links. Thank you.